Okay, so first you want to start with a square piece of paper and you want to fold it in half, top to bottom, diagonally. Next, what you want to do is you want to take the right hand corner and fold the model in half, bringing the right hand corner to the left hand corner. Next, what you want to do is you want to take this top left hand corner and fold it down to the bottom point. Now what you want to do is unfold that last step and open this flap of paper like this. Now what you want to do is you want to flatten this flap of paper and you'll make this square shape like this. Now we're going to do exactly the same again on the other side. So turn it over, take this point down to the bottom, then open the flap of paper and squash it down into the square shape. So if you've done everything right, it should look like this. Now what you want to do is, because you've got these two layers of paper, this one and this one, you want to bring these bottom edges and fold them like this into the centre. Now what you want to do is just make a crease along this line here where this small triangle is by folding it down and then back again. Okay, so now you want to open these two flaps and then lift up the very top layer of paper. What you want to do is you want to keep lifting until the sides start to close in, and when they do, bring them into the centre, folding them in on the creases that already exist. Like that. So now it should look like this. Now what you want to do is flip the model over so you've got this large square on top. And what you want to do now is you want to bring the bottom edges of this square and fold them into the centre. This is where you're making the main body of the clamshell. Now you've folded them into the centre, you want to take these edges and fold them back to the outside edges. So now it should look like this. Now what you want to do is you want to lift up one of the sides like this, so it's vertical, and you want to take this edge, both of these edges, and fold it, so take the edge up and over and then fold these edges back into the centre like this, and then once it looks like this, grab the edge and fully extend it back, just pull it completely open. So now we want to do the same with this side. So take this side over, take the two edges and fold them into this centre line here. Then grab the top point and pull them all the way out again. So now you should be able to see it forming the clamshell shape. Now all that's left to do is sort of round off the corners. So what you want to do is you want to take this top point, and there's quite a few layers to it, and fold all of these layers down by about 1 inch. So you've just squared off this top point. You want to do exactly the same thing with the right and left hand points. Just folding them in. like that. And exactly the same with the bottom one as well, just folding it under. So now if everything's worked, it should look like this. Now all that's left to do is get rid of this huge triangle. So what you want to do, where the triangle meets the base of the shell, fold it back under. And once you've done that, it completes the base of the shell, and you've completed the origami clamshell. Thanks very much for watching, and check out the other videos on the channel.